Understanding vectors and matrices, coordinate systems, and 3D math operations. Vectors and matrices. Vectors. Vectors are quantities that have both magnitude and direction. In mathematics, they are often represented as ordered lists of numbers or as arrows in space. Vectors can be added together, multiplied by scalars or single numbers, and subjected to various operations like dot product and cross product. So the next one is matrices. Matrices are rectangular arrays of numbers arranged in rows and columns. They are used to represent linear transformations such as rotations, translations, and scaling. Matrices are extensively used in computer graphics for transformations and in solving systems of linear equations. So the next one is coordinate systems. Cartesian coordinate system. This is the most common coordinate system, where points are located based on their distance from 2 or 3 perpendicular axes, which is the x, y, and z in 3D. Each axis represents a dimension, and the coordinates of a point are given as distances along each axis. So the next one is polar coordinate system. In this system, points are defined by their distance from a fixed point or the origin, and the angle formed by a fixed line or the polar axis passing through the point. This system is often used for representing circular or radial patterns. So the third one is spherical coordinate system. This system uses two angles and a radius to specify the location of a point in space. It's particularly useful for describing positions on the surface of a sphere. So the last one is cylindrical coordinate system. So this is similar to spherical coordinates, but with one angle and a radius to specify a point on the surface of a cylinder. So the next one is 3D math operations. Vector operations. Common operations on vectors include addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, dot product, cross product, normalization, and projection. So the second one is matrix operations. Matrices can be multiplied together, added, subtracted, transposed, inverted if possible, and subjected to other operations such as determinant calculation and eigenvalue decomposition. So the third one is transformation operations. In 3D graphics, transformations like translation or moving objects, rotation or changing orientation, scaling or resizing objects, and shearing like distorting objects are essential operations. These transformations are usually represented using matrices and applied to vectors representing points or directions in 3D space. So the last one is intersection and collision detection. So algorithms are used to determine if two objects intersect or collide in 3D space. This involves computations such as ray casting, bounding volume tests, and geometric calculations to determine intersections. So that's all for today. Thank you.